Hey folks, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman, and in this video we're going to be opening up the February 2018 Cairn Box. This marks year 3 of opening up Cairn boxes on this channel. So, sweet. And if you want to know how I feel about boxes after 3 years of this, it keeps getting better as I'm continuing to be a subscriber of this. And so far, I continue wanting to be a subscriber. Keep getting cool gear. But anyways, so why you're here is to see me open this. So let's get going. While I open this up, at the end of every video, I leave a poll as to your favorite gear. Last video, it was the Cole and UCO the Cole wool hat that has the UCO patch on it. That won by a landslide. But let's see what you guys like in this box. So first one is by Life Straw. Let's see. So it's seems like it's a Life Straw bottle system. That's exactly what it is. It seems like it's a Life Straw attachment bottle system. Let's see. It's like a kid where I'm just trying to attach things here. Let's put this back in here. Always love getting water treatment methods. Water treatment is very, very useful. Let's see, so it's Life Straw Universal, Life Straw Universal. So it looks like you can attach in pretty much any bottle, almost like a, onto any type of Nalgene bottle or something like that. Essentially. Yeah. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's designed so you can basically put your Life Straw on pretty much anything. Cool. So like this could go onto let me get this, like this could go onto some of the thicker bottles, like the metal bottles. And it has a hole on it so that the air can still go through as you suck the water out. I'm not sure which one this would be for. I'll have to take a look deeper into it in a second. This one seems to go over a Nalgene bottle or something like that. So they have a bit more information on it. And they probably have it in here. Be right back once I've read this a bit more, because this has a bit of information on it, but not a whole lot. Okay, so there's a carbon filter in here that you're supposed to be able to get out to rinse thoroughly. I haven't really figured out how to get it out yet, but you're supposed to be able to get it out. And basically what you can do is shove this into here to get a watertight seal, and then each one of these can essentially, except for this one, which is just a standard lid that goes on any one of these. So then you can essentially have a a water filtration device that you can attach to pretty much any one of your water bottles. And honestly, I think that's pretty cool. And it means I can basically just fill a water bottle with untreated water and just go. Essentially, this is the microfilters in here, and then the carbon filter up here for the taste. I've used life straws before. I have a life straw that I carry with me. I think it's a cool concept. I'm gonna have to take a look into this a little bit more off camera, but I just wanted to get a general idea for it. But essentially, there's a carbon filter at the end of this. The straw tube's in the center. And then these are just cap pieces that can go into different types of bottles. Like this would go in the side of like one of the metal bottles I have. Or this would go on the wide brim of like a like Nalgene bottles. So pretty cool. Then a sticker to go onto them. Hydration is key, and I'm bad at hydration. I'm not sure if I'd use this on certain hikes, like my long ones, because I tend to use Sawyer squeezes. But I do have some hikes that this would probably come in useful in. Sometimes I do carry different types of filtration devices, so this may come in useful. But pretty cool. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is, I've seen this, and I'm not going to take it out because I've seen this on the interwebs. I think Facebook, I've seen it. It's Bees Wrap Food Wrap. A 7x8 wrap and a 13x14 wrap. Essentially what it is it's a natural alternative to plastic wrap. It acts the same. You just don't want to use it for like meat. It's good for vegetable, or it's said to be good for vegetables, cheeses, like things like that, bread. I can't speak for that. But apparently it keeps food fresh naturally. Whatever that means. But it's essentially wax paper, or it's like beeswax paper that you can wrap your food in. I'm not going to unwrap this because I do plan on potentially using this. But actually, it's made in Vermont. Not far from here. Actually, no, I'll open up one of the smaller ones. Why not? I've actually been curious. So, this is the piece. So this package comes with one in it, and then there's the other one. It smells like beeswax, and yeah, it's essentially just beeswax paper. Feels like beeswax. Not sure how you like. I mean, because it has beeswax in it, it'd probably be antimicrobial. Especially because this wasn't like wrapped in anything, so it's pretty cool though. But it's pretty stiff, so it'd be effectively hand wash your So okay, so you're supposed to wash it first. Hand wash your hang to dry, fold and store, reuse for about a year. We do not recommend using for meat. Please keep away from heat, hot. So it has beeswax, organic cotton, jojoba oil, and tree resin. So, interesting. So you gotta clean it first anyways. It's not completely made out of beeswax, but I'm not sure how much I'm gonna use it, but I may end up using this. So, but it's interesting nonetheless. We use a decent, we tend to use more just plastic wrap, but I mean, it's more of a natural friendly, nature friendly version. We have a blue sticker. And the bar this time is Go Macro. Vegan, soy-free, non-GMO. It's Sunny Uplift. Cherries and berries. I think, was Go Macro the one that I had, if anyone remembers, I can't remember, I've done a lot of these. One where they did it with, what was it? Lavender in it, and I hated it. But let's take a look at what they have inside. If you're interested in seeing the ingredients, make sure I'm doing that right side up. Oh, that's their story. Oh, want to see the ingredients and the nutritional facts? Pause on there and go ahead and read it. So, pause in there and go ahead and read it. Let's see what we want to go ahead and see. Let's see. So this is a brown rice syrup and oat bar. Okay, and dates. So it's a date bar. It's an oat and date bar. Standard issue. Flavor of cherries and berries. You can instantly smell the cherries and berries. Smell of cherries and berries randomly reminds me of when I was a kid and I used to open up those plastic, like, dinosaur toys. I don't know why. Really enough. Okay, so let's see what we have in store. Yeah, it looks like a normal date bar, just with a lot more oats in it. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. I like it. I really like it. It tastes like a really healthy fruit roll-up. It tastes like a really, really good healthy fruit roll-up. Oh, did I take 2 bites to see if you like something? Yeah. I'm gonna stash the rest away for later. So, yeah, okay. I was just looking down. Okay, so now, so that, as I said, that was good. Tastes very much like a fruit roll, reminiscent of a fruit roll-up. Really, really good. I really liked it. I actually ended up ordering some of those. I tend to find a lot of my bars that I like for hiking through the through Cairn Box and order them offline. Or if I see them at like Whole Foods or stores, I tend to get them there. But I tend to find a lot of these at Whole Foods and I can't find them anywhere else. But now it's time for you to vote. And you want to vote in the card that will pop up. So do you want to vote for the LifeStrong Universal System, which I want to note as I was looking down when I was reading that, I noticed that this is mostly compatible with Hydro Flask, Camelback, Nalgene, and Clean Canteen, which are 4 common brands for bottles. But it probably will be compatible with other ones. Those are actually bottles I tend to carry with me anyways, so yay! Do you think the item is the beeswax wrap that's alternative to plastic wrap? I may use these a lot for I may use these for camping, who knows? I use them around the house. I really don't know. Is it the Go Macro Bar Cherries and Berries Sunny Uplift Bar? It was good. Tastes very similar to a fruit roll-up, but probably healthier. Or is it this blue sticker? It's blue. It's a little bit more on the teal side. Well, it's sky blue. And you can stick it on things. So you want to vote, most likely here. If not, it'll be on the other side. But that's been the February 2018 Cairn Box. I hope you guys enjoy this box, and let me know what you guys liked by voting that card, and also down below. I like hearing your opinions on it. Debate what you think about it, about the different items down below. Personally, my favorite is it's actually a toss-up between the bar and the life straw. The life straw is useful for turning some of my bottles into carrying this with, actually, when I only go out with a bottle system. But this is also really good. And I hate that I have to store some of this for Cassie and go share it with her now. But anyways, my name's Nate. I'm the Outdoorsman. You guys have a good day, remember, get out in the woods and have some fun. See you, everyone.